U is for umbrella, bird made of unicorn candy glowing in the sky.
V is for viper, made of vanilla cupcake frosting piled high.
W is for whale, made of waffle roll, rolling by and by.
Whoosh! X is for x-ray, fish made of xylitol candy shining as he flies. Blip, blip, blip.
Y is for yak, made of yogurt candy, creamy, soft, and slow.
Z is for zebra, made of Zefir cloud,